What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video, holiday edition. Today I'm going to share with you guys some vintage holiday pieces from Tommy Hilfiger that I picked up. And we're also going to be doing a craft moment. We're going to be creating some Tommy Hilfiger ornaments. So this is going to be a fun one, guys. I have a bit of a haul going on and some do-it-yourself type stuff. And I'll be sharing with you guys my Tommy Hilfiger closet decorated for the holidays. So if you're interested in this Tommy experience, then keep on watching. You guys, I've been looking forward to making this video for such a long time. I love the holiday season, especially Christmas. My birthday's on Christmas, so I'm sure that has something to do with it. But I just love decorating the whole vibe and the season. It's a moment, guys. So today I have a few things up my sleeves. My Tommy Hilfiger robe sleeves. By the way, guys, this is a vintage piece I found at a thrift store, or it was more like an antique shop. There's a difference. But I fell in love with this. Isn't this giving you like a complete like Christmas vibe, right? So I had to wear it for this video. But we're going to make Tommy Hilfiger ornaments. That's going to be part 2 of this video. But first and foremost, let me share with you guys a piece that I picked up from eBay. Tommy Hilfiger collaborated with Macy's for many occasions, for Camp Tommy and for a lot of their holiday like type stuff. So this is something that I found on eBay. I forgot what year it's from. I'll put it right here. But basically, Tommy Hilfiger created these ornaments. It is a set of 4. There it is. They're a little, not really my style, but one says fa la 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 la. The other one says jingle all the way. This one's just like a very colorful ornament. My vibe is completely the opposite. I'm very like neutral and Victorian when it comes to my Christmas decor, but these are very fun, and I'm going to be putting these on display here in my closet. So I actually picked up one of these, which people use these for ornaments and also like jewelry and whatnot, and I'm just going to be dangling the ornaments from these. Unfortunately, there's only 3 little spots, so one of them is going to have to sit out. I don't know which one's going to be, but I will decide in a moment. So we're going to be hanging these up, and I got these really cool hooks as well that have like a spiral on them, and I figured we'll put this like right here, or like around this region. Tommy collaborates with Macy's so much. They have tons of things on the internet that you could find from previous collaborations throughout the years, mainly like the early 2000s, and they actually collaborated with Macy's for another stuffed animal. As you can see, I have a stuffed animal up there. This is the Camp Tommy lion, and it's adorable. Lions are one of my favorite animals, so of course I had to get it. This is one that I mentioned in a previous collectibles haul I did on this channel, and I wasn't gonna get it, but then I was like, you know what? Why not? Let's get it. Let's give the little sucker a home. So hopefully it's in better condition than it looked online, but we're gonna open this up right now and add this to the collection. And you'll find tons of stuff on eBay that are like vintage Tommy pieces that are extremely rare. A lot of them are a little expensive, but you need to get what you paid for. It's gonna open. I see the hair. I feel like this is already Christmas because I'm like opening up gifts right now, but hashtag blessed and thankful. Oh my god! Oh god, this is freaking adorable. There's nothing else in the bag. That is so freaking cute. Another lion. This is like a teddy lion. Oh, it's missing a little bit of hair there, but it says 2000. This is year 2000 Hilfiger H, and very, very cute. I love this. And it has the Tommy logo right in the sleeve, and he has a buddy now. I love that. So we're gonna put him right up there. Best friends, BFFs right there. Of course I'll be fixing up in just a little bit along with putting these out, but I am super pumped, guys, because we're not only putting out vintage Tommy Hilfiger pieces, but I have something brand new to add to this Christmas moment. So 'tis the season, guys. You want to be comfy, you want to be cozy, you want to be covered in your favorite brands like a Tommy Hilfiger. Oh, got that from TJ. Blankets, and I love these colors. To me, these colors are just so deep, rich, and just very like cozy looking. And I got this from obviously TJ Maxx. This was super cheap. It was actually $19.99, and it says Tommy Hilfiger right there. This was not part of a collection or anything. This was just basically the blanket itself, and I'm just gonna have this around here when I'm editing videos. I'll throw this on, but it's super soft. I've had this for 2 weeks and I have not even like touched it because I've been waiting to make this video. So let's open this up and see how cozy this actually is. And I've been debating on getting like a Tommy Hilfiger bed set, because you'll see them every now and then at Macy's and even online and in the department store. But I'm kind of like more of a solid one than a plaid one, and a lot of the bed sets are kind of like this. So it's not really my vibe in the bedroom, but we'll see. We will see, guys. I'll probably end up changing my mind. Alright, so let's take this off carefully. And I was shook that this was only 20 bucks, by the way, because it's super soft and it's very big. My God, there's so many things on here. And it says plush Sherpa throw, 50 by 60 inches. So it's Sherpa. Cool. Oh my goodness. The inside is this classic Sherpa color. This is gonna be perfect though for keeping me cozy and warm during winter nights editing videos for you guys. Love this very much. All right, so we have a blanket going on. And now, guys, I actually have some vintage Tommy pieces I picked up at a thrift store that I'm going to share at the end of this video. So stay tuned. We'll get to that in just a moment. Right now, I'm going to share with you guys how I'm decorating my little trees here. So these are boutique style trees. They're very short. I think this is like maybe 4 feet. I'm not really good at, measurements, but I think it's like 4 feet, something like that. They're skinny trees. They're very minimal. And I have just warm LED lights on them. So I'm not going to do a garland or anything crazy. These are just small trees that have the holiday spirit in my closet. So what I've been doing throughout the past year and maybe plus, I've been saving my Tommy Hilfiger tags. So these are the tags you would get on all of your articles of clothing and accessories and whatever you buy from Tommy. I literally have such a freaking collection here. Tommy Hilfiger denim, the basic Tommy tags. This one here is from the Heritage collection. This is Tommy Sport. Unfortunately, sometimes, Tommy Hilfiger from the Pride collection, very cool. And unfortunately, sometimes I forget and I tossed a few. But this is a nice little batch here. And I have 2 trees going on that I'm gonna be decorating. One on my desk and other one just here next to my mannequin that I've not named yet. If you guys can think of a name to name Miss Ma'am over here, sound off in the comment section down below. So what we're gonna do, we're not just gonna put these on hooks or anything like that. I have twine. So as you can tell, my vibe is very like raw and industrial-ish. So I've made a little batch of twine, and we're just simply going to take the tags like this, and right in the hole, you're going to stick the twine. Pull it through, leave a decent size little like knot just because you're gonna be putting it on a branch, and tie it. As simple as that. And this is a cool tip though that you can do with any of your favorite designers. So if Tommy Hilfiger is not your favorite designer, which, sorry about it, you can do this with anything. But how cool is that? It's very minimal, very, boutique style, and something that I feel like completes my Tommy vibe in my closet for the holiday season. So snip those ends. And we'll put that, let's see, put it right here. So that's how they're gonna look. I'm gonna cover the entire tree in these tags and just give myself the vibe that I need during this holiday season. I'll be showing you guys a finished product at the end of this video. I'll do like a montage of how everything came together. This is just a how-to craft moment with me. By the way, if you are new to my channel, I have a series on here called Vintage Therapy, in which I flip and restore old pieces, give them character and bring them back to life, such as this hat rack back here. This was once a shutter I found at the back of an antique shop, and now it has my Tommy Hilfiger hats on display. So I love stuff like that, guys, and just creating and bringing things into its own element and having fun with stuff like this. So that's what I do on this channel, aside from talking about Tommy Hilfiger skincare, men's fashion, beauty, wellness, lifestyle type stuff. Now we're gonna get into a haul. This is a minor haul, guys, but I stopped at a local thrift store and I picked up a few Tommy Hilfiger pieces I thought I'd share in this video. Why not? Let's just make this an entire Tommy Hilfiger experience. So I'm all about sustainability, guys, and I do also appreciate vintage pieces. So I do shop locally at thrift stores, and every now and then you'll find stuff that's like, okay, I can get that for pretty much the same price on clearance at an actual Tommy store. So what do you think in 𝗏𝗏? Or you can find unique pieces from like back in 2000 something, like early 2000s. Like this right here. Wait till you see this. First off, it isn't something I would typically wear, but I'm adding to my collection anyway. It is a very odd colored shirt. I'll probably maybe wear it during like the spring, perhaps Easter. And it just has really cool like 90s type vibes. Like look at the collar here. You flip that up and it's purple and orange and like what? It's very odd. As well as there's tons of buttons missing. So there's button missing from the pockets. There's buttons missing down here. And the girl at the thrift shop actually gave this to me for free because I was like, hey, you might want to put this away because it has like 5 buttons missing from it. And she's like, do you just want it?
And I was like, yeah, why not?
So she gave it to me. But I took it, of course, because you know what, guys, I'm crafty, obvi. So I'm going to get some buttons and make this a piece for the vault. So we got that. These are all button downs, by the way. This one is just a basic looking classic Tommy button down, and I love this. I mean, pretty much, I think I spent like a matter of $6 at the thrift store, and I got these 4 pieces. I got 4 pieces, holy crap. So I got this, very kind of current. This is something that does not go out of style, so we sliv. And I also got an orange button down, which I don't really wear orange that often because it's kind of like camo for me sometimes on a bad day. And this is just a basic button down as well. Unfortunately, it does not have the Tommy logo on the chest, which is something that I like, gotta represent. But it does have a really cool piece right here on the back, which you don't see this design too often, so I'm not sure exactly how old this is. And this is in amazing condition. Every piece that I got, aside from that piece from like perhaps the 90s, is in great condition. The one missing the buttons. And this one, just a basic red button down, and I actually really love this one. This is a beautiful color and an amazing condition. Again, this one does not have Tommy on the chest or anything. This is one of the tailored pieces here. It's kind of like one of the formal options from Tommy. I love it. So we have 4 pieces there, guys. I spent basically nothing, and I'm adding to the collection here in my Tommy closet. By the way, if you have not checked out my closet tour, I will link it in this description box down below. And right now we're going to get into the moment you've all been waiting for, my Tommy Hilfiger closet decorated for the holidays. I love how everything came together. You guys, this is the closet of my Tommy Hilfiger dreams. Hopefully you enjoyed this craft moment and just the vintage finds I found of Tommy Hilfiger. If you did enjoy this video, please give this a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I talk about all things Tommy Hilfiger related on this channel. I have a playlist of all my Tommy Hilfiger videos. Check that out, binge it. It'll probably take you like an hour or 2 to watch, but it is worth it, if I must say so myself. And my Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me in there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.